All right, let's get into this. Terra Classic. Can you believe that it's down 30% in the last 7 days? Well, it looks like it could be, but there's something kind of interesting about this. So Terra Classic leads most trending cryptos despite dropping a further 30% in a week, according to this article by Finbold. Today is June 3rd, 2022. And welcome to Crypto Housewife. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, share my videos, and let's look at this. So after the collapse of the reemergence of Terra Luna as Luna 2.0, the platform's old chain, now under Terra Classic, LUNC, is attracting tremendous interest amongst crypto traders. Yes, no kidding. It's popular. And you know why else I know it's popular? Because my videos are getting tons of traffic on them, more than my other videos on different cryptos. So what does that tell you? All right, so interest in Terra Classic is highlighted by CoinMarketCap data that shows that the token is the most searched on the platform out of all cryptocurrencies as of June 3rd. Okay, so let's fact check this. CoinMarketCap, let's just hit search. Oh, there you go. Trending, on fire, Terra Classic, good old LUNC, along with these guys too. So it's true, it is trending. It's in top place for being the most searched as of June 3rd, 2022. So let's just click on it for a second, get ourselves updated here. Oh my God. Here we go. All right. Volume in the past 24 hours, about 155 million. So it's down a bit. Circulating supply. That's in billions. Okay, 6.5 billion. If I read that right. Market cap 623 million. Yeah, it's kind of kind of high, but it could go higher. It could go higher. So let's go all. Okay, so they have it all back here. So because this used to be Luna, right? The original Terra Luna. So we had the run up. Nice chart. Wow, run up, and then it just tanked in May, approximately. Yeah. Tanked in May. There you go. There you have it. So we are sitting over here in this little red line. So we'll go past 7 days. And yeah, it started to go up, then pulled back in. All right. Okay, so if I had $100 US to blow, how many Terra Lunas would I get? Terra Classics, rather. I keep saying Terra Luna, sorry. Terra Classic. All right, $100 gets you $1 million. 1 million. Now this is a very speculative play. Do your own research. Obviously this thing dumped really hard, from over $100 down to sub penny. So, but there's still a lot of interest in Terra Classic. Tons. I'm interested in it. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you if this is going to go up or down, or what its use case is going to be. But there is a large following for Terra Classic. All right, so let's just jump down here. Although the general market is undergoing high price correction, LUNC, Luna Classic, is among the standout cases with extreme volatility. Analysts believe that the token's lack of defined fundamental value is fueling the volatility. Yeah, so basically a lot of people are going to speculate on it. Number one, there's a lot of people into it because it was airdropped to them because they were holding it before the big crash. And so there's former interest, and then there's new interest, new money coming into it as a speculation. So some people think, well, maybe it'll become like a meme coin, maybe there'll be huge burns, a whole bunch of scenarios, but still it shows interest and that people want to speculate on it, and people still want to invest in it as a kind of like a higher risk investment. But if they're right, let's see here, if they're right, the payoff could be pretty good. But of course there's a high supply of them, so it can only go so high, but still it can still run up. So here's their one hour chart, and we pulled back in the night, and we are, I don't know, do you think we're going to go up? I got an arrow on my hour chart. Hold on just a second. And here is the day chart. Volumes are tapering down, though. That's the only thing that I really don't like that's going on right now. The volumes are down and red. So I'd like to see some bigger spikes, people going shopping, but give Ethereum a chance to climb up. And I think there's a possibility that Luna Classic could follow Ethereum easily, as long as there's no more bad news. Do Kwon doesn't pull a fast one, or the Korean version of the SEC doesn't step in and really start to reveal some stuff we don't want to hear. That's for sure. But all said and done, there's still good investors in Luna. And also the 2.0, you see, Luna, now the Terra 2.0, has good volume, but today today just basically started, so we'll see what happens. But the last number of days, it had a better volume pattern than Luna Classic, I'll tell you that much. But we'll see what happens. A lot of people jump in when something is cheap. Sometimes they jump in, hold, and we don't know what's going to happen. We do not know for sure. So we'll see what happens. So it just says it's also worth noting that the interest in this collapsed token, I call it collapse. Yeah, it collapsed, but it's trying to raise itself from the ashes, had caught the attention of authorities like South Korea's Financial Services Commission. The agency issued a warning to investors to desist from investing in Luna. Okay, well, people are still investing in it though. It's pretty obvious, especially if it's one of the most searched cryptos on CoinMarketCap. and I gotta admit, I have searched it on CoinMarketCap, and I have not searched these guys here though. All right, well, that's about all I have for you. This is not financial advice. This thing could do anything, and like I said, this is what 1 million Luna Classics is worth right now, is $100 US, to give you an idea. And I don't know what'll happen. Will it come back strong? Well, the market is going sideways anyway, so I'm not surprised, but anything is possible. But please hit the subscribe button and share my videos, and I will catch you guys later. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research. There's a lot going on with this token, and it's a very interesting token. So trade with caution, and I will catch you guys later. Bye-bye.